Assalamu alaikum, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, welcome to everyone in online class in Nandia Shangur, Ideal Dakhil Madrasa, Sripur, Gazipur. And I am here, Muhammad Mahbub Alam, assistant teacher in Nandia Shangur Ideal Dakhil Madrasa. Welcome to everyone for our online classes. So dear students, please look at the board before going to start. Going to our topics in our online classes. Here we see some pictures. My dear students, this is my identity. At first, you know me very well, but for the purpose of introducing, this is I am here, Muhammad Mahbub Alam, assistant teachers. And next, our lessons identity. Here, my student, look at the board. Lessons identity, English first paper, class 9, date. My dear students, please look at the board. And here, at first, going to our pages, we see some pictures about our topics related. And what we see in this picture is a picture of some soldiers. Here see some soldiers. And next, here is another picture. The picture was soldiers are torturing the people of a country or a surrounding area. So these are the pictures. What do you see in this picture? Hope your assumption is right. First picture is British soldiers, and our second picture is tortured by British soldiers. The two pictures are giving a various types of informative issue. Why? The people are got very much frightened against the British people, because the British armies are very much oppressed. They torture the people of our country, and for these reasons, okay, dear students, here is another picture. Pahartoli European Club. That means this is the Pahartoli European Club, and these clubs are very much notorious for is a sign. Here we see some words. The words like that, dogs and the people of India are not allowed here. So this sentence is keep a meaning about their attitudes towards others. And this is another picture. Here we see a woman is fighting against something, against the rule. So my dear students, European Club at Pahartoli, Chittagong. So my dear students, now the time of our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is Dream, Unit 10, Lesson 3. Lesson name, They Had Dream, Part 1. So my dear students, after studying this lesson, the learners will be able to talk about Prithilatha, speak out why and how the anti-British movement took places, ask and answer questions, write a paragraph about Prithilatha. So my dear students, now we go to our next slide. And here okay, my dear students, please look at the board. Dear students, let us learn some words about our today's topics. And here are some words. Please look at the board. And first word is movement. Which is movement? What is called movement? Movement is something against a two-party are move, or two parties are against one another. And this synonym is action or activities. And next word is notorious. Notorious means infamous or dishonorable. And our next word is activist. And this the synonyms is active person in a political activities. Next word is meritorious. Meritorious means bright or talented. And our next word is prepare. Prepare synonyms is adjust or adapt. And next word is organizer. And organizers means arranger or coordinator. Okay, my dear students, dreams. Our lesson topics, and here is the picture. And who is she? My dear student, can you guess which she? Yes, my dear students, your assumption is totally right. She is Pritilota. And now our today's topic is Pritilota. Pritilota's dreams. Pritilota was born in. So my dear students, please open your book for better understanding the topics is very clear. Pritilota was born in Chittagong on 5 May 1911. That means when she was born, she means Pritilota. Pritilota was born in 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Kasturi Government Primary Schools in Chittagong and Eden College in Dhaka. That means Pritilota was very much meritorious student, and she is like a bright student in Dr. Kasturi Government School in Chittagong and Eden College. Eden College, which is situated in Dhaka. This is Dhaka University in Shahbag. And this Eden College is very much famous for girls' educations. She finally graduated in philosophy with distinctions from Bethune College in Kolkata. That means the students, which subject she has graduated? She graduated from philosophy. Philosophy is one of the most important subject in university. With distinction. Distinction means university topper. Got the highest score of rights marks from university. From Bethune College in Kolkata. In college life, she was an activist in anti-British movement. When she was a student in college, she always against British soldiers or British rules or British ruler. Because our before going to our topics, here we see some pictures about British soldiers and the style of their operations. All through her life, she dreamt of two things. In her whole life, that means her whole life she had only two dreams. But in our life here we have a lots of dreams. Our dreams are like that, to get a good marks in examination, to be a good person, to be a good doctor or engineers, or in our professional lives here we want lots of money in cars and houses and lots of things. But in the life of Pritilota here, he had only two dreams. Her first dreams, a society without gender discrimination. Do you know gender discrimination, my dear students? Yes, gender discrimination means a discrimination between men and women, girls and boys. But in the society, men and women plays an important role. Both are equally for the welfare of a country. And Pritilota's had the dreams, as one of the dreams her is gender discrimination society. And her motherland with the British colonial rules. And her next dream was a country without British colonial rules. So she received combat training to fight against British rules. My dear students, we know if someone want to be a fighter, she had needed for taking some training for fighting. Soon after, Pritilota became head teacher of Nandakanon Aparna Charan School in Chittagong. Gradually, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. My dear students, we know Surya Sen was one of the great leader in our country, which is very much famous for anti-British movement organizer. Surya Sen was like a famous anti-British organizer. And Pritilota was also a dream about to create a free in our country, and for this reason she joined Surya Sen's army. In 1932, when the year of 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartuli European Club. When the time in 1932, Surya Sen had a plan how to attack Pahartuli European Club. The club was well known, is very famous for its notorious sign, dogs and Indian not allowed. This is the very much notorious types of word in this present world or in a humanity. We know all the men are equal by the eye of a god or the eye of in law. But in the eye of the British soldiers, they had the people of our Indian means Bangladesh, Bharat and Pakistan. The people of Indians is equal to a dog. Dog means, we know, this is a four-footed animal. Not only animal, this is very much, these are the animals. So in the eye of the British soldiers, the Indian people and dogs are all equal. So this is very much nasty word, inhumanity. Surya Sen assigned Prithilata. Surya Sen took over the responsibility to Prithilata to lead 2 plus V1. This is the infinitive. A team of 10 to 12 men to attack on the club. So here Prithilata got the leadership how to attack the European club. The raid was successful, but Prithilata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. As Prithilata dressed as a man, but her plan was totally successful. But at the time, after the raid, after the attack of this club, she failed to get out from the club. And for this reason, she committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. Here is the climax sentence, my dear students. How to dedicate a life for the welfare of a nation, for the welfare of a country. She committed suicide. Suicide means a person dying of his own hand by taking by plus ing, by plus zerat. Potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide is the poisonous things which is very poisonous for a person. To avoid 2 plus V1, to avoid arrest. She thought that if she was arrested, if she was got in British army, the British army got all the information of our country, of the planning of Surya Sen or all other activities. She proved that women can work like men. She proved that women work like men. Because we know men and women both are equal, both are essentials for playing an important role for the betterment of a country, for developing a nation. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for the freedom from British rule. That here we find Prithilata proved that men, women both are equal, both are necessary for the welfare of a country, and women need time to be sacrifice their lives from British rule. Her dream come true. That means her dreams means Prithilata's dream come true. The British rule came and end. Here is an article. Though she could not see it during her lifetime, because she was she committed suicide, and for this reason she was not alive that time. But our country he got freedom from British colonial rules. Not only British colonial rules, now we are totally free from also Pakistan ruling. This is the institution where Prithilata started her education, Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School. And this institution is very much renowned. In the year 1918, here started her educational life. In the year 1926, here got scholarship with the Sanskrit subject. In the year 1928, here Prithilata passed matriculations. This is another institution, and this institution is very much famous for girls' education, which is named in Eden College, which is situated in beside the Dragon University and Shahbag. And here in 1928 got admitted IA, and 1913 passed I with brilliant result. And here we see another institution. This institution is also very much famous. Here in 1930 got admitted Bethel College in Kolkata. In the year 1932 passed with distinction. Distinction means university topper or scored the highest. 22 marks in 2012 received prize from Kolkata University. My dear student, this is another name of institution where Prithilata Oddadar joined as a head teacher. Orpanacharan Girls High School, and Prithilata became head teacher of this school. My dear student, this is a notorious club, and this notorious club is part of the European club, and this club is very much notorious for its sign. Here sign of some words. Dogs and Indian people are not allowed. Now is the time of a pair work. Here we see some MCQ, that means multiple choice questions. First one is Prithilata dreamt of her dear motherland. What is the dream of Pritilota? Here are the 4 clues. Ruled by British, free from British colonial rule, free from gender discrimination, both A and both. So here the right answer is number 4, both. And next question is Pritilota completed her graduation from the subject of graduation from Dhaka, Chattogram, Kolkata, Mumbai. This answer is a Kolkata because from Bethune College she completed her graduation. Pritilota had a graduation degree in which subject? Number 1, psychology, political science, philosophy, physics. We know the correct answer is philosophy. And now the next question, why did Pritilota commit suicide? Why she was suicide? To avoid arrest, to kill more members, to save the team members, to complete the raid. Correct answer is to avoid arrest. Next question, Pritilota committed suicide by taking drugs, medicine, poison and bomb. Here we know correct answer is poison because she committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide, and potassium cyanide is here is very much poisonous. And next, the time of individual word, that means separate word. Give short answer of the following question. First question is that who was Surjo Sen? The answer is Surjo Sen was a famous British movement organizer. And our next question is that where and when Pritilota was born? Pritilota was born in Chittagong 5 May in 1911. And next is where did Pritilota join as a head teacher? Pritilota joined as a head teacher in the Nanda Aparna Charan Girls High School. And our next question is why did Pritilota receive combat training? Pritilota received combat training to fight against British rule. Next question, when Surjo Sen attacked European club? Surjo Sen attacked European club in 1932. And here is a group work. Here we see some true false. Number 1, professional Pritilota was a doctor. Pritilota was a doctor. Is that false? Correct answer is she was a teacher. Next question, Pritilota proved that women can work like men. This sentence is true. Surjo Sen assigned Pritilota to lead a team of 10 to 12 members to attack the European club. This sentence is also true. Next question is Pritilota's dreams did not come true. This is a false. Next correct answer is her dream came true. Next question is the club was well known for its notorious sign dogs and Indians not allowed. This sentence is true. Okay, dear students, next evolution. Here we see fill in the gaps. Allowed. Here are lots of words. This is date, revolutionary and movement. Okay, my dear students, see the board. Pritilota to join the Indian Independence Day. Surjo Sen had the heard about her and wanted to join. Okay, now is the answer. Pritilota decided to join in Indian independence movement. Surjo Sen had heard about her and wanted to join in their revolutionary group. On 13 June 1932, Pritilota met Surjo Sen and Nirmal Sen in their Dhaglat camp. A contemporary revolutionary Vinod Bahari Chaudhary objected that they did not allow. Here is a grammatical do does did, and here the word is we should use the base form of verb to join the group. And however, Pritilota was allowed to join the group because the revolutionary reasoned that women transporting weapons would not attract as much suspicious as men. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for homework. Write 10 sentences about Pritilota Podada. My dear students, so hope all of you got benefited from this class, and if you have any question, please comment our YouTube links in our Facebook space and to contact with us for getting another types of information. And my dear students, now we are staying as a very much a critical pandemic situation in COVID-19 situation, and for this reasons all of the educational institutions remain closed. But our education, our study is going a smooth way. And for your better understanding, for you got better facilities, we we run a online class, and hope all of you got benefited from to watch online classes and to keep your studies. And my dear students, to request all of you, always stay at home. If do not get much in necessities, please do not go outside from home. And if you are allowed to the other side of room, please keep masks and always maintain the rules of hygiene, health and hygiene, and always stay neat and clean. And we should keep pray to Almighty Allah so that Allah can give a happy and healthy life. Okay, my dear student, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.